Often we see children build and sculpt sandcastles and structures. They use buckets, shovels, and other tools to build structures and experiment with different textures and patterns. They keep searching for hidden treasures like seashells in the sand or insects beneath the mud. The textures and sensation draw them deep into imaginative role play, where they can become treasure hunters, archaeologists unearthing ancient artifacts, or paleontologists excavating dinosaur bones. Playing with sand, mud, or water is considered open-ended play for children. So, what is open-ended play? Open-ended play allows children to freely explore and create without predetermined rules or outcomes. This kind of play fosters children's imagination, problem solving, and creativity. They dig and excavate holes or trenches. They might find small treasures like shells or rocks, which can spark interest in geology or archaeology. For sensory, they simply run their fingers through the sand or let it flow through their hands. They can also experiment with how sand feels when it's dry versus wet. To mix and pour, they use different containers to mix sand with water or pour it from one container to another. They draw shapes or patterns in the sand with sticks or fingers. They also explore concepts like how sand changes when it's wet or dry, or how it moves when they build or destroy structures. Sand, mud, and water are considered open-ended materials because they can be used in countless ways, which allows children to direct their own play experiences. Children might encounter challenges like how to build a sturdy sandcastle or how to move water from one container to another. These challenges encourage them to think critically and find solutions to those challenges. Various research has indicated that the open-ended play of sand can have therapeutic benefits for children. The sensory nature of sand play can be calming and soothing, making it an effective tool for managing anxiety and stress. Children can use sand play to express their emotions, work through difficult experiences, and create a sense of control in their play environment. Here, let's dive into the science of how our brain grows. The brain grows and develops throughout life, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. Interestingly, the brain grows rapidly to about 80% of its adult size by age 3 and reaches around 90% by age 5. The neural connection, which is scientifically called synaptogenesis, occurs with trillions of connections formed between neurons. This phase is critical for learning and development. The brain is highly adaptable, which allows children to recover even from injuries and learn new skills quickly. This is called brain plasticity. Certain skills and abilities such as language acquisition and social interaction develop best during specific windows in early childhood. Let's explore the magic of the sand play. Children should engage in sand and mud play for numerous reasons, as it offers a wide range of benefits to their brain development. Manipulating sand and mud with their hands and tools requires fine motor skills. Pouring, digging, shaping, and scooping help develop hand-eye coordination, finger dexterity, and overall motor skills. These activities also strengthen muscles and improve their control over movements, contributing to their physical development. The sand and water centers are introductions to higher level thinking concepts like volume. When children empty two pails of sand into one larger pail, they begin to learn about which pail has more and which pail has less. They have the opportunity to see how many cups it takes to fill the largest bucket. They can also see how one tall pail of sand also equals a short large bucket. Children can use the sand to create shapes and structures, understand concepts of volume and gravity. The water table introduces children to early physics concepts like motion and flowing water. Children have the opportunity to make predictions about what objects will sink in the water and which items will float. Sand and water areas introduce discussions about living and non-living items as well as animal habitats. Finally, the fascination that children have with playing with sand goes beyond mere entertainment. Through tactile experiences, imaginative exploration, social interaction, and therapeutic benefits, sand play contributes significantly to children's cognitive, emotional, and social development. Researchers have shown that sand play provides an avenue for children to learn, create, and connect with the world around them in meaningful and enriching ways. In a nutshell, playing with sand stimulates brain development by engaging multiple cognitive processes. It enhances sensory integration as children explore textures and sensations, boosting their ability to process information. Manipulating sand promotes fine motor skills, which are linked to brain development and coordination. So, the next time you see a child building sandcastles on the beach or shaping mountains in a sandbox, remember that their play is a window into a world of discovery and growth.